For group 1 once again.
Okutendeka kumazire 210 kandi okutwire nikukorerwa hishomero lya Kyebambe Girls omu rurembo rwa Fort Portal. Okutendeka okukozirwa ba UN Women bakwatanise na Ministry y'ebyobwegyese hamwe n'emizaano obwebine ekigendererwa ky'okuheereza abishiki obukugu obwaza karimagezi.
We will provide continued support for participants with essential skills through alumni network, mentorship and platforms to further develop and showcase their innovation.
Dr. Okech Benson orukora nka operations manager hari UN Women kandi ojwekire country director nagira ngo iki nikiza kuhereza abishiki umujinya kutunga emirimo mu bya karimagezi okwenda ngunyensi yabe kabonera.
We have spent almost $300,000 on this project, supporting more than 244 girls across the region in Lamu, Karamoja, Busoga, Toro, and Sorry to participate in the project. Almost 244 girls. So phase 4 builds on that momentum with the support from the government of Germany through the Federal Ministry of Economic Cooperation and Development.
And together with the UN Women, there is a plan to stock that hub with 50 more computers. And that's where also government which will continue to pick up. Also, we have other initiatives under the USEP, and that school is being supported under the Uganda Secondary Education Expansion Project, where we are improving the infrastructure in addition to other pedagogical skills.
Ruth Namanya Kwesiga, head teacher wa Kyebambe Girls Secondary School, hona wasimira ba UN Women aho kureta omushomo ogu ahishomereri.
You have been taught how to solve problems, you have been taught how to teamwork, and how to communicate better. I am sure you have learned how to create your own digital solutions, especially relevant for Africa or for your specific community. We go upon you to continue practicing and to keep in touch with the network that you have built here during the 10-day training session.
We have limited practical STEM learning, so this device can help our sisters who do not know anything about coding, so our sisters can learn from that. Agricultural students are already covered.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwiri.
I request that we now